Hey everyone, how are you today? I hope you're having a good day so far. Today's video is just a quick unboxing of a couple things I picked up from the Coach outlet. I don't think I've ever had anything come in a bubble mailer from Coach or Coach outlet, but I just got a couple things. As you can see, it's pretty small and they're both in here. So if you like this type of video, I hope you will like and subscribe for more handbag videos. I also do wig videos on Wednesdays. First of all, so here is the stuff in here. I picked this up. Now I remember. I was like, what in the heck did I get? Okay, now I remember. Here it is. Can you guess? Can you guess what it is? It's not a wallet. This is a little key holder. So I wanted to see how it compared to the super popular Louis Vuitton one. So this is the color black. Let me take all this stuff out. All right, they had it pretty well packaged, so that's a good thing. Like I said, this is the color black, and this is they call it cross grain leather with the silver hardware. Actually, I think this might be gunmetal. Yeah, this is gunmetal hardware. And then it opens like this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I believe, 5 little key holders. And then at the bottom, I really like this because this is a place where you can put your key fob. So I think most of us nowadays, most cars, it seems like cars have the key fob. So it's really big and doesn't really fit into one of these. So that could be used for that, but it could also be used as like a valet key. So if you maybe have to park your car sometimes and the valet takes it, whatever, you can put your car key on that and just unsnap it right there and just give them that key. So pretty handy. Also, it has a little secretarial slot there, I guess you'd call it, and then another slot here. So they had paper, so they had this through this whole thing behind this part here. So that might be telling you that you could put a bill back there, so you could put money back there, or you could just fold it up and put it in here. You could definitely put a credit card in there or back here. Now, I remember from the Louis Vuitton one that I have, I believe it only has this slot back here, so there's nothing on either side, if I'm remembering correctly. I haven't used it for a really long time, but it looks like it would hold up pretty well. I've been using the Louis Vuitton key clay forever for my keys, to hold my keys. I think I'm gonna go ahead and change into this and give that a break, because like ever since I got it, I've been using it, and I feel like I've had it for maybe like 4 or 5 years. I don't take it out of my purse a lot because my car key, I don't need to have an actual key to start my car. I think I am gonna give it a break and use this one. The next one I am super excited about. You can probably see what it is through the wrapping there. I am a huge planner person. I love planners, all different kinds of planners. I am not one who can just keep all of my stuff on my phone, because I won't look at my phone. I'll look at a planner, but I just won't look at my actual phone to see if there is anything that I have to do on that day. Now, this isn't exactly a planner, but it is well, they have it wrapped up really well. It's a notebook holder, I guess you'd call it. Okay, let me get it fixed here. So I've definitely been eyeing this for quite a while. It's actually smaller than I thought it would be. For some reason, I thought it was going to be a little bigger than this, but I feel like this is the A5 size maybe. It didn't really have like specifications like that. It did have the measurements. I'll put those here or down below. If you don't see them here, they're down below. I think that you could put like a notebook in here if you wanted to use it as a planner. So really pretty on the inside. I'm assuming that's leather, but I'm not positive about it. I can't tell from the smell. This is a notebook that they included, which is really cool. Let me pull that out. Okay, so that was in there really good. This is just, like I said, a plain notebook, but you can definitely put some type of planner in there if it's like a spiral type of planner. Even I'd say like a moleskin planner, which is what I'm using now. You could put that in there. Now, the inside, when I was taking this notebook out, I noticed that it really was in there. Okay, so that's a good thing to know, that it probably isn't going to fall out. That's just the care booklet. And one of the little security things, I'm always glad when I find this thing so I don't go off when I walk somewhere with my item. So you can put it in there, and I think it's going to hold pretty well. So let me just show you what that looks like. And over here is the embossed Coach name there. Nice button with gold hardware. And then the back is the CC signature print. So this is definitely flexible. As you can see, I'm moving it very easily. I don't have the notebook stuck in there, actually placed in there. It's just stuck in there. So it's definitely really flexible. So if you're looking for something that's kind of flexible that you can just throw in a bag and go, this might be a good thing for you. But yeah, definitely really excited to have this. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.